Financial freedom. It's about living debt-free, having a safety net, and building a future where money works for you. Imagine a life where you don't stress about bills. That's the power of an emergency fund. Picture a comfortable retirement free from financial strain. Passive income is key to lasting financial freedom. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. A dream without a plan is just a wish. The same goes for your financial aspirations. To achieve financial freedom, you need a roadmap, a set of clear, actionable financial goals. But not just any goals, we're talking about SMART goals. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific means your goals should be clearly defined. Instead of saying I want to save more, specify an amount and purpose, like I want to save $5,000 for a down payment on a car. Measurable means you can track your progress. How much will you save each month? Achievable means your goals are realistic and attainable. Relevance is key. Your goals should align with your values and aspirations. Ask yourself, why is this goal important to me? Finally, time-bound means setting deadlines. This creates urgency and helps you stay on track. A goal without a deadline is just a dream. Don't try to tackle everything at once. Break down your financial goals into short-term, within a year, mid-term, 1 to 5 years, and long-term, 5+ years. This makes them less daunting and more manageable. A budget is not about deprivation, it's about empowerment. It's about taking control of your money so you can fund your dreams. Think of it as a financial roadmap, guiding you towards your destination, financial freedom. Start by tracking your income and expenses. List all your sources of income and categorize your expenses. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook. The key is to find a method that works for you and stick with it. Next, identify areas where you can cut back. Are there any unnecessary subscriptions or impulse purchases you can eliminate? Remember, small changes add up over time. Now, allocate your income towards your financial goals. This is where the rubber meets the road. Prioritize your spending. Needs before wants. Housing, food, and transportation are essential. Vacations and entertainment, treat those as rewards for staying on track. Remember, a budget is a living document. It needs to be flexible and adaptable to your changing circumstances. Don't be afraid to adjust it as needed. Life is unpredictable. Unexpected expenses can pop up at any moment, throwing a wrench into your financial plans. That's where your emergency fund comes in, your financial safety net. An emergency fund is money set aside specifically for unexpected events, such as job loss, medical bills, or car repairs. It's your financial cushion, there to protect you from falling into debt when life throws you a curveball. Start by setting a realistic savings goal. A good rule of thumb is to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved up. This will provide a buffer while you navigate any financial storms. Make saving automatic. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your emergency fund each month. This way, you'll consistently grow your savings without even thinking about it. Remember, your emergency fund is not for impulse purchases or vacations. It's there for true emergencies only. Building an emergency fund takes discipline and commitment, but it's one of the most important steps you can take towards achieving financial security. Breaking free from chains. Conquering your debt. Debt can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders, but don't worry, there's a way out. With a solid plan, you can break free from debt. Start by listing all your debts. Choose a debt repayment strategy. The snowball and avalanche methods are popular. Celebrate your progress and stay focused on financial freedom. Planting seeds for tomorrow. The magic of early investing. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who wants to build a secure financial future. The sooner you start, the better, thanks to the magic of compound interest. Think of it as planting seeds for tomorrow. The earlier you plant, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest is the concept of earning interest on your interest. It's like a snowball effect, where your money grows faster over time. Start by investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This helps spread your risk and maximize your potential returns. Consider using a robo-advisor if you're new to investing. These online platforms use algorithms to create and manage a personalized investment portfolio for you. Make investing a habit by automating your contributions. Set up a recurring investment schedule, just like you would with your emergency fund. Reinvest your dividends. When you reinvest your earnings, you buy more shares, which generate more dividends, creating a powerful cycle of growth. Creating streams of abundance, generating passive income. Imagine money flowing into your accounts even while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. Income generated from assets you own or businesses you create, requiring minimal effort to maintain. It's a key ingredient in achieving true financial freedom. One way to generate passive income is through investments. Dividend-paying stocks, real estate investment trusts, and peer-to-peer lending platforms are just a few examples. Rental properties are another popular avenue for passive income. While it requires some upfront investment and ongoing management, owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of cash flow. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities for generating passive income online. Affiliate marketing, online courses, and ebooks are just a few examples. Explore different options and find what aligns with your skills and interests. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Be patient, stay consistent, and focus on creating sustainable sources of income that will serve you for years to come. Staying the course, monitoring progress, and adapting. Achieving financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, commitment, and the willingness to adapt your plan as needed. Don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. Regularly review your budget and track your progress towards your goals. Are you on track with your savings? Are your expenses in line? Adjust your budget as needed to stay on course. Life is full of unexpected twists and turns. Your income might fluctuate, your goals might change, or unexpected expenses might arise. That's why it's crucial to be adaptable and adjust your financial plan accordingly. Don't be afraid to seek professional guidance from a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice and help you navigate complex financial decisions. Remember, staying the course doesn't mean being rigid. It's about being flexible and making adjustments as needed to reach your destination, financial freedom. The power of knowledge, becoming a personal finance whiz. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. The more you know about managing money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that lead to financial freedom. Read books, listen to podcasts, and attend seminars on personal finance. There are countless resources available to help you expand your knowledge and develop sound financial habits. Follow financial experts and bloggers who resonate with you. They can provide valuable insights and inspiration on your journey to financial freedom. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek clarification when you don't understand something. Financial literacy is a journey, not a destination. There's always something new to learn, and the more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complex world of personal finance. Celebrating milestones, recognizing your achievements. The journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It's important to acknowledge and celebrate your milestones along the way. Did you pay off a credit card? Reach your emergency fund goal? Invest in the stock market for the first time? These are all significant achievements worthy of recognition. Celebrating your milestones helps you stay motivated and reinforces positive financial behaviors. It's a reminder that you're making progress and moving closer to your goals. Treat yourself to something special, big or small, when you reach a milestone. It's important to reward yourself for your hard work and dedication. Share your successes with friends and family who support your financial journey. Their encouragement and celebration will further fuel your motivation. Embracing the journey. Financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Achieving financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a journey that requires patience, perseverance, and a willingness to embrace the ups and downs along the way. Remember, there will be setbacks and challenges. You might overspend one month, experience an unexpected expense, or feel discouraged by slow progress. It's okay. Don't let these setbacks derail you from your ultimate goal. View challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. What can you learn from your mistakes? How can you adjust your plan to avoid repeating them? The most important thing is to stay focused on your long-term vision. Remind yourself why you embarked on this journey in the first place. Visualize the life you're creating for yourself and your loved ones. Surround yourself with a supportive community of like-minded individuals who share your financial goals. They can provide encouragement, accountability, and inspiration along the way. Remember, financial freedom is not a destination, it's a journey. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and never give up on your dreams. You've got this.